Hey, hope you guys are doing well. It's hump day, Wednesday. That means payday is tomorrow for me, which is my favorite day of the week. So I wanted to share a couple warmers that were released previously, but are back in our Harvest Collection, which drops September 1st. So excited. There's so much stuff. Literally this whole brochure is like a list of things that I want. I'll be mailing these out shortly to my customers. And if you are interested, let me know and I will send you one. But yeah, it's pretty amazing. Okay, so these warmers are back and there is a full size and a mini of the same warmer. Super cute. So I'm about to show it to you. Okay, so I'll show you the mini first. It's called Under Wraps. It's a little mummy warmer and it is adorable. I'm actually going to put these in my kitchen when I'm done here. So super excited. Okay, so you get your plug-in, but you can also buy a tabletop base just like that for an additional $15 to so you can put it on a table somewhere, bookshelf, what have you. Anyway, so we have our little 15-watt bulb. You know what? That one's a new bulb. Do I have any? Yeah, I have an old bulb. I like to use my old bulbs up till they croak. And my little ring. So let's use that. And that goes right here. So if you have a mini warmer and you're like, oh, it feels loose, you probably didn't use your O-ring. You just got to open up your box, find the ring, and put it back on. Okay, so let's see. This is so stinking cute. I cannot wait to show it to you. Okay, hold on one moment. Because this is going, and that's where my, over there is where my holiday, harvest and holiday stuff goes. Okay, look how cute this guy is. He is so stinking cute. I can't even with him. Absolutely adorable. I need a screenshot. Let's do it. Wait, hold on. How do I do it without being, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, well that didn't work, but that's okay. So we're going to continue on. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like lit. You can get other colored bulbs, which I usually like to use my green, but I have green in there. So I got to see if I have another green. You can also use red, purple, what have you. I like the green, although I think the purple would be cute too. Okay, so you put this on like so, and then you plug it in, which right now I can't plug it in because I'm using my tabletop base there and I have one in the living room I'm using. But how cute is he? And then his little, he'll glow. So he's a glowing warmer. Hi, Kristen. Hi, Joyous. And then he has these little lights. So like light shines through there. But he's so stinking cute. I love him. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the full size warmer. And this one was they were both warmers of the month last year. So let's see. Oh, this one's so cute. Okay. All right. Alrighty then. And this one, I believe I am going to put a green bulb in it. Okay. So want to see how I put the boxes away? Okay, so that's put away. And I'll show you how I do this. It's so cute. I love this one. All right. Plugged in. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and first of all, I'm going to make sure it's a 25 water. If you don't know how to check, right here, although it's backwards, we usually have, not on every single warmer, but on most of our warmers, we'll have this sticker and it'll tell you how many watts. You can also check at the bottom of your cord and it'll have this little tag and it'll say on there as well. So like you see, I didn't pack the bulb with this and I'm like, oh, what size bulb do I need? Right there, it shows you. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on there. It's so cute. I got to get out some of my Halloween-y stuff from the garage. Okay, so now this one is basically sitting on top. That's why it feels all weird, because it's just sitting in my hand. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. See, he's glowing. Okay, let me turn off my light a little bit so you can see a little bit better. You can see it's coming out. It's hard to see the green, but when you're in person, you could really see it. But he looks so cute. I absolutely love him. I am so excited to put them in my kitchen. I have like one of those black creepy trees from Target that I'm going to put next to it, but I think they're so cute. So this is the mini and the full size under wraps. This size is 40 and this size is 20. And they're so stinking cute. Another place I think it would be cute is like in the bathroom where you could put a full size and the mini to match. That would be cute too. But anywho, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys need me to get one ordered for you. And if you have any questions. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.